Coming up next on the food plane, television chefs from the 1980s. It's the 1980s, and you turn on your television to the Public Broadcasting Service, PBS, and there was Jacques Pepin, who's a renowned French-American chef, author, and television personality celebrated for his expertise in French cuisine with a career spanning over 6 decades. Pepin is known for his classic cooking techniques and ability to make complex dishes accessible to home cooks. Next is Graham Kerr, known as the Galloping Gourmet. He's a British chef and television personality who became famous in the late 1960s and early 1970s. His show, The Galloping Gourmet, featured Kerr preparing rich, indulgent dishes while entertaining viewers with his lively personality and humor. Next, we have Chef Justin Wilson, who was a beloved American cook, humorist, and television personality, known for his Cajun-style cooking and distinctive Southern charm. He gained fame in the 1970s and 80s with his cooking shows, where he shared Cajun recipes, often seasoning with his catchphrase, "I guarantee." Although there was scandal towards the end of his career, Chef Jeff Smith, known as the Frugal Gourmet, was an American television chef, author, and ordained minister. He rose to fame in the 1980s with his cooking show, The Frugal Gourmet, where he focused on affordable, flavorful recipes and the history behind them. Next, we have Martin Yan, the chef behind Yan Can Cook, who's a Chinese-American culinary icon known for his energetic and entertaining cooking style. In the 1980s, his show, Yan Can Cook, introduced audience to Chinese and American cuisine with a blend of humor, expert knife skills, and easy-to-follow recipes. Remember, if Yan can cook, so can you. Last but not least, Julia Child, who was an American chef, author, and television personality, who revolutionized home cooking in the United States by introducing French cuisine to American audiences. Her iconic show, The French Chef, debuted in the 1960s and made her a household name with her distinctive voice, approachable demeanor, and passion for teaching. Child demystified gourmet cooking, inspiring generations of home cooks. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.